We welcome you, month we all adore. We pray for happiness.
Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make soap for little kids because it's now summertime, and when you go outside, you have a really tanny skin colour. Yeah, so this soap will help you to make your skin whiter, like for kids. Grown-ups could even use it, but I don't know if it's suitable for grown-ups. The kids, yeah, and if the kids have a really dark colour, it could still work. Like my brother and me, we don't have that dark. It's a bit dark, but not white. So guys, let's begin. Yeah, and I'm gonna get the ingredients. So see you when I get the ingredients. Good boy. Bye guys. Brazilian nuts, of course, walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts. You need almond oil, pure soap with no fragrance. Let's begin. My brother's gonna crush half, and I'm gonna crush half so it's fair. Go on. That's not how you do it. It's the wrong side. Let me show you. Yeah, this side. Guys, my brother does not know how to do this. Oh. No, I've done the wrong side. Oh. Which side is which? Like this. Mom, this is how you do it, guys. It looks weird. What the? Why are you showing it? I'm gonna grind these nuts. These almonds and yeah, and guys, you might think this is too less, but it's really much because when you finish the soap, it's gonna look like a crazy mess. I'm gonna grind these nuts, yeah, and I'm gonna put this oil, almond oil. I forgot to say because I always want to use this oil, almond oil. I'm gonna put about 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and I'm going to even put this coconut oil in, about 2 or 1, you know. And then I'm going to put milk. You can even use coconut milk. We don't have coconut milk, so we're just using coconut oil with some milk. That was too little, so a third one. And now, guys, I'm going to put that milk in here. It's not really that empty, it just has a bit of milk in it. That's enough, probably. We don't even have that much milk. Exactly. So guys, now I'm gonna blender. In the cotton, you have to put it in the refrigerator for about 1.5 or 1 hour. It's after that it's going to look like this, the soap we started with. Yeah, so guys, see you after 1 or 1.5 hours. Bye. It has finished after 1 hour. Yeah, and I'm going to push this soap out. Let me put the cover down. Look at this hot soap. It does not matter about the smell. There's even a heart mark. Because of the heart shape. And this is how it looks like. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the soap heart button, and I'll see you next time. Good bye.